Dear people of the universe, bluebells are purple, Greenland's not green, my pinky is not pink, so what does it mean? Roses are red, but my name's not Dave. Are you drunk? I'm not drunk. Microwave. Do you know what I'm saying? Do you know what I'm saying? Lying on the kitchen floor, I know I shouldn't do it, but I wanna do it more. Wait, sorry I was so down. What did you just say? Did you just call me crazy? You must be mistaken. I'm talking to a mirror. Sorry, I'm bad at words. Maths is yellow and science is blue. My mind's gross and so are you. Scotland isn't real, Nicolas Cage and either. Yesterday I made friends with a spider. Oh, and she lying on the kitchen flooring. I bet you think that I'm boring. Wait, sorry I'm so down. What did you just say? Did you just call me pretty? You must be mistaken. I'm talking to a mirror, 'cause you're telling lies. You're so stupid. Wait, sorry, I zoned out. What did you just say? Did you just call me petite? Sorry, I'm so bad at this.